Happy holidays, everyone. Today, Santa came a little early to me. In this package, I have something that'll be very useful in the near future and probably for a very long time. Sorry if I sound very nasally and congested. I think I am coming down with a cold, just like last year during the holidays, which completely sucks. So, let's go ahead, open up this box, and see what's inside. This is something that I've wanted for a very long time, and actually it was on sale on Amazon and I saw it 14 minutes before the deal closed. So that was very lucky. A lot of people I know have this, and I've used it quite a bit of times, but I've just never actually pulled the trigger and bought one myself. Let me angle you guys up a little. Put a can under here. There we go. That should be a lot better. So, I'll give you guys a hint. Here's a little sample pack it came with. Most of this stuff I already have. I believe it is optical grade cutting polish, optical grade hybrid compound. I don't know what this purple one is, extreme compound, and polish. So these are all by Chemical Guys, and I have this one already. These are like sample packs. So these are the V-line sample pack, 4 ounces. So we have those. We have some pads. So we have the finishing pad, which is black, which is wax and sealant. These are 5 inches. We have the white, which is medium to light polishing pad. And then we have orange, which is a medium heavy cutting pad. So what's really nice about these is they give you all the colors on the back and what they do. I will read through and see if I need to purchase any new ones, but they give you those ones. And then here is the main component. Which is a dual action polisher. So it's going to make detailing, why am I so dark? It's going to make detailing and, okay, hang in with me guys. My camera is flipping out. Alright, there we go. It's going to make detailing much easier instead of by hand. I used to polish, wax, seal, all that by hand, which is doable, but it just takes a lot longer. So here we are, we have, oh geez, take it out. The Torq X. So this is not the top of the line one. I believe there's one above it, like an X24. I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. But this was $100 on Amazon instead of like $180 something, or I think even more. I saved like 200 bucks, or not 200, 100 bucks. So open it up and you got your, your user manual, all that jazz. And then, does it come with a pad? No. Here it is. It's perfectly packed in here, so I'm going to put it back. But if you guys don't know what a dual action polisher is, it works wonders on your car and probably will cut the time that it takes to detail your car in half, if not more. But I'm going to be very excited to use that. I also bought, with the help of m.fourtyfive channel, if you guys know him, he suggested I might butcher the name, Colinite 845, which is a wax. And then I also got Adams Polish's strip soap, so that's going to be able to strip everything off the car that was already placed on there, like wax, sealant, polish, clay, sealant, you name it. And then I also got the Adams iron remover, so basically gets any of that gunk and grime, so it gives you a perfectly clean slate before detailing a car. So I plan to do mine, I plan to do Michaela's, probably my mother's, stuff like that, but I have a lot of good things to go with it. I found Chemical Guys stuff is very entry okay stuff, but Chemical Guys marketing is A+. They definitely market towards the car people, whereas like McGuire's, Colinite, C2V3, all the actual products that I found that are really good are just kind of like passed along through forums and names, so they don't do as great of marketing. But I'm very excited to use this. This is a quick little video. My car should be here before Christmas. Fingers crossed you guys are seeing this on the 23rd. 23rd, yeah. So till then, happy holidays and don't get sick like me.